Namaste everyone. My name is Vrishti along with my teammates Priya and Muntaha. We are the students of Dr. Cyrus Poonawalla English Medium School, CBSE board located in Pune. Today we are going to present a project on detection system on leakage in gas pipelines. We have selected this project for Viksit Bharat Buildathon. As the nation is rising towards Viksit Sankalp, our dependency on energy is increasing day by day, and hence the natural gas transportation is happening via pipe system. But any type of defect in the pipeline leads to leakage and huge property loss, and hence we have chosen this problem to come with an innovative solution. The objective of our project is to detect leakage of gases in pipelines and sending alerts to stop future accidents. Our project covers 4 main SDGs, that are SDG number 3, 8, 9 and 11. And now Priya will tell why this problem matters. There are various causes ranging from smaller localized leaks to major industrial disasters. Causes include aging infrastructure, corrosion, poor installation and damage during third-party excavation work. We have witnessed a lot of catastrophic incidents related to gas leakage in the past and in the near present. To mention a few, GAIL pipeline blast in Andhra Pradesh 2014. A major blast and fire occurred in a state-owned GAIL gas pipeline in Nagaram village, East Godavari district. 22 people died and injured dozens. There are more cases like ONGC pipeline leak in Yanam 2025, in August 2025, and Oil and Natural Gas Corporation ONGC natural gas pipeline in Bay of Bengal Lake causing a fire on Dariala Tipa Island near Yanam. GAIL pipeline burst in Uttar Pradesh 2025 and August 2025 an explosion in an underground GAIL pipeline burst in Yamuna area of Bhagpat district causing panic in nearby villages. In our own city Pune, we have witnessed a natural gas pipeline blast operated by Maharashtra Natural Gas Limited MNGL developed a leak in a Wagori area of Pune leading to a gas odor. There are many more cases like IOC underground pipeline burst in Uttar Pradesh 2023, ONGC pipeline blast in Gujarat 2020. The building do consist of early detection system, but there is no as such system in local vicinities. There are many reasons that Vrishti has told us, but the only solution is the early detection system. Now Munta will guide you about the solution that we have made. No doubt, firm inspection and government regulation will help us prevent this incident. Now let's come to the solution. For these kind of situations, we have come across a solution, which is this model. In this model, the detector detects the gas and using sensors. When it's unsafe, the LCD shows danger and the buzzer rings. An automatic notification is sent to the authorities and nearby residents. In safe conditions, the LCD shows safe environment. As now the buzzer is ringing, the notification has sent and the LCD shows danger. In this model, we have attached it with registers, Arduino, jumper wires, LCD display and a sensor. In this model, it works when the gas is detected, the sensor senses the gas and sends the signal to the LCD display and the buzzer. The LCD shows danger and the buzzer rings. In this, we have used ESP32 sensor which signals the mobile and sends a signal to the residents. It is installed in the pipeline systems. It provides early detection for evacuation. Normal LCD shows safe environment, but when the system detects something dangerous papers, it shows danger, the buzzer rings and phone gets notification. It is a prototype of the local area where the malls, buildings and every stall is there to help people evacuate the place. In this, the problem is we have low selectivity, which the sensor can be triggered by common things like the LPG gases. The drawbacks of the present system is low selectivity. The sensor can be triggered by normal things any gases like LPG, propane, hydrogen, and smoke or alcohol. This leads to false alarms. The another problem is sensor warm-up time. These sensors require a preheat time to provide stable readings. The other is environmental dependence. The sensor in temperature and humidity, it reads anything, which means calibration might change over the course of day or scene. Simple alert system. The basic system only gives a local alert, buzzer and LED. If no one is at home or nearby, the alert is useless. No action or control. These system only detects. It cannot automatically do anything to stop it. What we can do for advanced system? For advanced system, we can use on or focus on Internet of Things, which is IoT, and artificial intelligence (AI) integration. IoT connectivity using models like Wi-Fi, Node MCU or GSM to send real-time data to the mobile phones or app or cloud server. Allows remote monitoring and alerts. Multi-sensor fusion. Instead of one general sensor, using multiple specific sensors, one for LPG, one for CO, one for temperature, smoke. This helps reduce false alarm systems. GSP or location. Integrating a GSP module. Using this, the mobile gets the location, exact location where the incident has taken place for emergencies.
This project saves our lives and properties, protects nearby residents, and helps authorities respond faster. This project not only gives us smarter cities, but also safer cities. And now I will conclude this project. This project can integrate with IoT dashboards and also lead with a small step towards safer and smarter cities. Deploying a network of sensors across a large area, AI algorithms can also pinpoint the exact location and size of the leak within the building, not only just notify but a leak is present somewhere. This is the leak localization. Using machine learning algorithms to analyze sensor data patterns, the system can learn the normal gas levels and only trigger alarm for abnormal dangerous patterns. This is the ultimate solution for false alarms. Using a load sensor under the gas cylinder to continuously monitor its weight, this helps predict when the gas will run out and can also detect sudden abnormal weight drops. Thank you.